Ekiragiro kireberera amarindiro g'enyamaishwa nikiragira kugumana bahayo obucweka 20 bwa sente zirikushorozibwa kuruga omu bagyenyi abarikutayayira emyanya egi hamwe n'abantu ba buriijo abaherire amarindiro aga. Konka bari omu rukiiko ahagati y'ekitongore eki hamwe n'abakuru b'amagomborero agaherire amarindiro aga gari omu rufotopoto. Ab'ekitongore kya UWA nibetomboitira b'amagomborero ahabw'okuguma nibaryangatanisa sente ezi kandi bakanga n'okubahereza embarira.
You find that the accountabilities are not really what, when you go on the ground, you don't see things that are being mentioned in the accountabilities. So that has also been a challenge.
Ekyokurugirira hari esharu kitumire bakyererwa n'okuhayo sente ezindi aha bantu ba buriijo ahabw'okugira ngu bagumire nibaryangatanisa sente ezi ezirikubaheebwa.
One thing is that there are beneficiaries who don't account timely, and when they delay with the accountabilities, they delay the whole process.
KIBAALE Conservation Area erimu amakuumiro g'enyamaishwa nka KIBAALE National Park, Semuliki World Reserve, Semuliki National Park hamwe na Katonga Wildlife Reserve. Omwaka gw'esente ogw'2018-2019 gwonka KIBAALE Conservation Area kahayo sente ezirikwingana $497 ha districts nka Kasese, Bunyangabo, Kabarore, Ntoroko hamwe na Kamwenje nk'omuringo gumwe gw'okubaganamu sente ezi ezirikushorozibwa kuruga omu makuumiro aga.
As much as we are giving out the money, we need you to help us to monitor, because we cannot be everywhere. But these projects are in their localities.
We've had a challenge that when we buy goats, the goats emaciate and that sometimes die. Or when we buy seedlings, you don't see the money, the value on the money on the ground.
Oguhona nagira ngu zimwe ha projects ezirikuheebwa abantu nibaba batarikumanya oku bakubaasa kuzikoraho nikwe kuhendera zifiire.
You know, at times you give somebody a goat who he doesn't know how to look after a goat. And after a month it has emaciated and he has sold it. So even your intervention has not created an impact.
However much, yes, officials from UWA said that some people don't buy tangible goats, they don't implement projects, they buy poor quality goats. For us in Kachinga Town Council in Binyangabo district, we do buy quality goats.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwire.